What up, what up? It's your boy Milano back at it again with another video, guys. See, I got the fresh cut of my little hair on my head that I got. You know, figure I'd get a little fresh cut because I know when I get back to the States I need a cut. It's gonna be expensive, so might as well cut corners, cut some costs, right? But we outside, y'all see where we at. Same area I always show. Gotta watch for the motos. Look at that. Gotta watch for the motos. Motos will end up hitting you because they're coming through. But yeah, what I wanted to talk about on this video, guys, is I really want to talk about, I don't know if you guys experienced it, but why do friends, relatives, and your that are in your hometown or wherever that knew you or used to know you, man, why do these people always be asking to borrow money? I don't know if it's just me or you guys. I mean, I know a lot of you guys aren't YouTubers. A lot of you guys aren't YouTubers. So see, they got little motos like that too. I know a lot of you guys aren't YouTubers like that. But hola, ¿cómo estás? I know a lot of you guys ain't YouTubers like that, but yeah, sometimes people be asking to borrow money because they think you got all this money when you're going overseas. It's crazy. It's crazy. Hola, ¿cómo estás? It's crazy how people come to this assumption like, oh yeah, you know, I know you got money because you traveling. I know you got money because you traveling. Let me get away from this music because they're gonna hit me with the copyright strike. People are blasting music out. Watch, look both ways, guys, before crossing the street, because you never know. You never know where the motos will come. And as you see, the DR, they always blasting music loud, not knowing this could probably demonetize my video, but I'm gonna talk in it and keep talking, so hopefully YouTube doesn't hit me with the copyright strike. But if they do, it is what it is. You know, this is what I signed up for when you're out in the streets of Santiago. But I will say this, you gotta watch out for the motos right here. Motos are coming. You gotta watch out, watch your back when you're walking these streets. No tengo dinero, no tengo nada. That's what you gotta tell them. I don't got nothing. And you tell them you don't got nothing, they keep going. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they keep harassing you and stuff like that, and be like, "Oh, it's okay, it's okay." I was like, "Yo, how you gonna make a living if I don't got no money to pay you?" But you know how they do. They wait till later on. They figure you're just saying it to blow them off. But guys, I will say this. Going back to my subject, a lot of people think, you know, a lot of people think that you got a lot of money when you're traveling overseas. And this is so far from the truth. It's crazy. You know? So far from the truth, it's crazy. They assume just because I'm going, yeah, see what they got over here. Let me see. Yeah. Jesus Christ, these cars just come. They want to run me over. They're like hoping to run me over. Y'all see? Y'all can come here for them empanadas. So, hola, que lo que? Promotion. Necesito clientes para el restaurante. But yeah, guys, you know, people think you got money. They think you, think they're playing music. I think, they always think you got money and think that you, oh man, they're playing music. I ain't come down here. The music. I'm trying to avoid the music, guys. But, yeah. Actually, I might just come down here and walk. Oh, nah, I'm good. That music's gonna jam me up. But yeah, Avoiding the music, guys. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm trying to avoid the music like I avoid these long lost friends and all these people asking for money, guys. That's the thing. See, everybody thinks VR is broke. Look at this. Look at this. Jokers ain't broke. They getting money out here. You know what I mean? This is a local liquor store for you guys. Let me see. Let him go so I can really show y'all the liquor store here. This is the liquor store here, right here. So y'all get to see if y'all want get liquor. It's all good. You know what I mean? Get your drink on. Get your drink on. But yeah. It's all good, guys. But yeah, ¿qué pasa? Mira. ¿Qué pasa? Policía, ¿eh? ¿Tú qué? Tu tigre. Tigre, huh? Tigre, huh? The girls. These girls that was at the barber shop, I seen they came out. They must have got a ride or know somebody. But yeah, they went inside there. I'm not gonna follow them in there, but it was crazy. They came out of the police station. But yeah, going back to what I was saying, guys, there's a lot of people who want to beg me for money or ask for money, loans, and everything back home. And it's like, yo, what is your deal? What is your problem? Like, I'm not a bank, so why are you asking me for funds? Why are you asking me for money? You know what I mean? Sí. ¿Comida? No comida. Sí, hay comida. ¿Moro? Moro. Ah, okay. It looks like they just opened up. But yeah, a lot of people that ask you for money, they have these high expectations, like, oh, if you're traveling, you should be paying me some money. You should loan me some money. Traveling is not, I want to say, traveling is not really that expensive if you know how to travel. But whether you know how to travel or not, guys, doesn't mean that I owe you guys money. I should be giving you guys money. You know what I mean? Y'all already see where we at. I like to show y'all where we at. Hence the name. Where is Milano? Mi casa's not open yet. But you see we outside. You see we outside with it. You know what I mean? But hola, ¿cómo estás? Me gusta tu pelo. Gracias. Seeing what they got here for food. Trying to get something less greasy, but I don't think that's gonna happen, man. I don't think that's gonna happen. Doesn't look like it. But yeah, man, a lot of people think you owe them money, you gotta give them money, but you know, it shouldn't be like that. Shouldn't be like that. That you don't owe them money, and you shouldn't have to give them any money. A lot of these guys expect that, you know, oh, Milano should be giving me money. Milano should be giving me this, this and that. But at the end of the day, I worked hard to travel how I want to. And at the end of the day, if I want to loan somebody some money, give somebody money, I can, but it's not required, nor it should be expected. If you see me on Facebook, YouTube, whatever, Instagram, see me go into different areas, don't try to ask me if you're from my hometown, Boston, if you're from where I reside at, Raleigh, North Carolina, or even if you used to go to high school with me or middle school. It's crazy. You see people, you know, popping up like, yo, Milano. You know, well, they don't call me Milano, but, you know, they call me my regular name. But they're like, yeah, D. You know, they know me as D. They're like, D, yo, I'm going through some hard times and everything. I'm like, bro, a lot of these, and then some of these people are in Boston where the wage is higher. You have more opportunity to make more money than me. Why are you asking me for money? That's crazy. I don't know if you guys ever been through that, but it's just crazy that people feel like you should loan the money or give them a loan. I know some of you guys are probably low-key, so you don't show your travels like that, but for the ones that do are YouTubers, shout out to my YouTubers that travel and post their vacation videos or their travel videos. Let me know in the comments down below if people have asked you for money, family, friends, and any of you guys who aren't YouTubers, you could leave a comment. I just figured I'd ask because it's getting crazy out here where people assume that I owe them money or I'm rich because I'm traveling. I just know how to move, you know what I mean? And I don't do the resort or the tourist type stuff, you know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Milano back here again. Hopefully I don't get a copyright strike from the music playing in the background while I was walking, but if they do, I might end up taking this video and just putting a commentary over and just doing something like that and just trying to edit it, you know what I mean? But it's your boy Milano back here again. You already see we're out in Santiago, baby. Que lo que, holla at your people. Aye. Like, subscribe, share, comment, holla.